For the moment, want to shift focus to the other big story on India Today. Basavaraj Bommai is the new Chief Minister of Karnataka. It was at 3:44 p.m. today that India Today told you that Yediyurappa's close confidant will be his successor. Bommai is an engineer by profession. He belongs to the Lingayat community. His father, S.R. Bommai, incidentally, had also served as Karnataka's Chief Minister. Nagarjun Dwarkanath gets us more.
And the new Chief Minister of Karnataka is Basavaraj Bommai. Serving until Monday as Home Minister under Chief Minister Yediyurappa, the Lingayat leader has been handpicked by the BJP leadership. And you heard it first on India Today, even before the announcement was made. 61 years old and son of former Chief Minister of Karnataka, S.R. Bommai, Basavaraj Bommai's anointment shouldn't come as a surprise to many. Apart from holding top portfolios in the outgoing Yediyurappa administration, the sitting Shiggaon MLA ticks several other boxes. Most importantly, he's from the Lingayat community and therefore satisfies the caste dynamics concerns the BJP leadership would have had to navigate in the wake of Yediyurappa's exit. Bommai's anointment preempts any remonstrations from Lingayat seers who had been massing their strength behind outgoing Chief Minister Yediyurappa. And it also disarms any planned protests by Lingayat groups in different parts of the state. As a close confidant of the outgoing Chief Minister, he is understood to have come with Yediyurappa's personal recommendation. Here's what Bommai told India Today's Nagarjun Dwarkanath just hours before the crucial legislature party meet.
See, once the CM post is vacant, then naturally speculations are there. And India Today is a very old, credible news magazine. It has been predicting a lot of things in all India level basis for the country, and they might have predicted. But however, let us see whether the prediction is true or false. It all depends on our legislature meeting. Good luck.
And 3, Bommai's administrative experience makes his transition into the Chief Minister's chair a relatively painless affair. As Karnataka battles floods and prepares for the third COVID wave, Bommai's experience and sobriety would help the state navigate its post-Yediyurappa weeks and months. An engineer by trade and an agricultural industrialist by profession, Bommai has received acclaim in the past for his irrigation schemes in the state. Above all, the anointment of Bommai represents an alignment of several dynamic demands from the BJP's sole southern outpost. He has big shoes to fill and less than 2 years till the next election in the state. In Karnataka's turbulent political landscape, Bommai Raj begins. With Nolan Pinto and Nagarjun Dwarkanath in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.
And information coming in, Basavaraj Bommai to be sworn in at 11 tomorrow morning. We are also being told that 2 of the 3 Deputy Chief Ministers will be replaced. There will be a Vocaliga face, R. Ashok, and a scheduled tribe MLA, Sri Ramulu, to be appointed as Deputy Chief Ministers. That's the information that's coming in. The swearing in is to take place at 11 tomorrow morning. So Basavaraj Bommai to be sworn in as Chief Minister. 2 of the 3 Deputy Chief Ministers are to be replaced. So the Vocaliga face would be R. Ashok, and the ST scheduled tribe MLA, Sri Ramulu, will be appointed as the other Deputy Chief Minister.